So can you use Threads app without a profile? So if you are, for example, using Threads app from Europe, you might see this pop up for you. And it just says, as part of laws in your region, we need you to confirm how would you like to use Threads, and then you can just keep using with your profile or use without a profile. If you choose to use Threads without a profile, your current profile will be deleted. You won't be able to post, interact, or get personalized recommendations, but you still can use it. So I just screenshotted it, and yep. So that's just notification. I've seen it because it's super easy to create an account in Threads just from your Instagram. That's the default onboarding experience. But then if you want to use it without a profile, it's still possible to do it in Europe. So yeah, you can try that. So something like that, that's just basically the idea.